What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee, and I am back with another video. If this is your first time on my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam. Also, give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you're going to be trying it. And also, if you'd like to see a different type of content on my channel, please be sure to give me some ideas in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So as promised in my last video, you guys will see the part 1 of how I build this mosaic frame. This is a 2 feet seahorse balloon mosaic frame, and this is the part 2 where I'll be showing you guys how I fill it. This won't be a step-by-step tutorial. If you'd like to see a step-by-step tutorial of how to fill a mosaic frame with balloons, I'll be sure to drop some in the description box, and I'll also link some on the screen right at this moment. And you can surf my channel to see other step-by-step balloon mosaic videos of how I fill the frames. So if you've watched part 1 of this mosaic frame tutorial, then you'll know that this frame is only 2 feet tall. So I'll only be using 160 Qs and 5-inch balloons because anything bigger will just be too much. And I'll be listing more details and materials in the description box. But without further ado, that is all I have to say. I'll definitely catch you all in my next video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave me some comment in the comment section below. Bye!